Good evening. New federal modeling shows the Omicron variant could put a lot more people in hospital as we approach a peak in cases.
Sylvie Lanfay joins us now with the details. Good evening, Sylvie.
Canada's top doctor says although the risk of severe illness is much lower with Omicron than compared to Delta, hospitalization could reach new peaks in the coming days and weeks ahead, and that's just due to the sheer volume of cases.
Omicron has spread faster and further than any previous variant.
Federal projections show there could be a peak of 170,000 new COVID cases per day by the end of January. The graph shows the true number of cases rather than the reported amount because of testing shortages. The blue line shows the wave with the current public health measures in place. The red line shows without. Officials say you can still get severely ill with the Omicron variant, even though Delta is more virulent. Canada's Chief Medical Officer, Dr. Theresa Tam, says those surging case numbers could result in 2,000 to 4,000 hospitalizations daily. That blue line there.
Hospitals have always been very stretched during the winter months in any case. And so this really doesn't help at all, having a massive Omicron surge.
Those 60 and older, particularly 80 and older, make up the majority of those hospitalized. Severe illness among children is still low.
The length of stay seems to be shorter for the Omicron variant. The ICU admissions, there seems to be less of those.
And Tam says there are additional challenges.
Of course, staff are getting sick at the same time. So that's putting a lot of pressure on the hospital systems.
For instance, the urgent care center in Hamilton will close Monday due to staffing pressures. The new modeling shows that unvaccinated people are 19 times more likely to be hospitalized with COVID compared to fully vaccinated people. Health Canada says 6.5 million Canadians over 5 years old have not been fully vaccinated.
Health officials are encouraging those who have 2 doses of the vaccine to go get their booster shot. They say the booster vaccine helps decrease your risk of severe illness, which in turn would lessen pressure on our hospitals.